Hi there, it's me Evan again from Infinity Martial Arts. Today we have another tutorial from Greatmats, a sport karate series. Today we'll be doing a trick called the box cutter with the bow staff. So the first issue that I always have is where do we grab the bow? So we don't want to choke the bow staff really high. So I'll put my right side in front, all right, and I'm choking the bow right by the middle. We don't want to choke it there because it's going to hit my body and it won't get the full range of motion. So I recommend that we grab it from 20 to 25%. All right, so from here, I'm starting at my left hip and then I'm moving my arm forwards. I'm kind of just pointing, right, to the front. But we don't want to throw it out forwards like a frisbee. All right, we just want to throw it just in front of our face. Another issue that we get is our elbows kind of jerk back, and then that's when the weapon kind of flies back towards us. We don't want that. We want to toss it up in front of us, have a beautiful loft. So I'll do that one more time right there. Another thing with my wrist here is I'm never breaking it. I'm keeping my wrist flat to the ground right here. So I'm just going up and working on that half. All right? So this is just the basics, just to get the crank and the toss consistent. Now from here, I want to start adding some height, adding some more rotation. So instead of grabbing the opposite side, I'm letting it do a full rotation and come back down. So again, full rotation, come back down. This move in a combo would look like this. Yeah! And that right there is your tutorial for a box cutter.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Greatmats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.